Are they at 1 ohm?
Half ohm. Both of them are
The half ohm versions?
Yeah, about half ohm. There's just a cheap 80 amp hour headway. And
okay.
It does alright.
Alright. What subs are in here?
These are the dead game audio Huracans.
Yeah.
They're 1200 watts RMS.
Okay.
15s, tuned to 26 hertz. So it's doing really low. It's alright though.
What are you peaking at for that tuning?
We're at 28 hertz. Believe it or not. It likes 28 hertz, but
yeah.
When I meter, I usually meter at 39 because anything lower, the subs kind of unload in there.
On a burp?
This is my first like big build.
Yeah. Oh wow.
Usually when you're
I gotta get a flash drive and playing everything off YouTube, so.
Okay.
Small star amp on some cheap DS18 bids. They take it though.
That's a lot of power putting on them.
Yeah.
Thank you for the demo.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you. What was your name again?
Steve.
Steve. Thanks for watching, Steve.
Absolutely, man.
Have a good day.
Get them cooling up.
Can I get a picture real quick?
Absolutely, go ahead. Seats don't go up, but I mean, you can go up this way.
That'll work.
Like a hoodie and stuff, right?
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.